In this tutorial, we are going to walk through how to create a dashboard for the environmental metric of the percentage of water withdrawn that is consumed. The numbers in your data file will be different than the numbers in this tutorial, but the steps will be the same. You do need to follow closely along with what I am showing here. Substitute your hotel names where the Hotel A, Hotel B, and Hotel C names show in this tutorial. You may want to make note of which hotel name is your Hotel A, which name is your Hotel B, and which name is your Hotel C. Open the file that contains the data template ratios and environmental dashboard worksheet that you worked on in the last tutorial. In this tutorial, we will create 3 more charts for the dashboard. Navigate to the data template worksheet. For these 3 charts, we want to show the metric percentage of water withdrawn that is consumed. Each chart will be a line chart showing the metric over 3 years for one hotel. We would like to show the data as a percentage with just one decimal point. To do this, select cells F14 through H16, and on the Home tab, click the icon to reduce the decimal. To create the first chart for your first hotel, here Hotel A, select cells F14 to H14, and on the Insert tab, click Recommended Charts. Click on the recommended line chart and then click OK. Next, on the Chart Design tab, click Change Chart Type. Click Templates, select your Save Line Chart template from the first tutorial, and that one we named it Chart 1, and then click OK. Change the chart's title to Hotel A. For your dashboard, change the name of the chart to be the name of the hotel you are analyzing. Drag the chart for Hotel A out of the way. Then select cells F15 through H15, and on the Insert tab, click Recommended Charts. Click on the recommended line chart and then click OK. Next, on the Chart Design tab, click Change Chart Type. Click Templates, select your saved line chart template from the first tutorial, Chart 1, and then click OK. Change the chart's title to Hotel B, where Hotel B is the name of your second hotel. Drag the charts for hotels A and B out of the way. Then select cells F16 through H16, and on the Insert tab, click Recommended Charts. Click on the recommended line chart and then click OK. Next, on the Chart Design tab, click Change Chart Type. Click Templates, select your saved line chart template from the first tutorial, Chart 1, and then click OK. Change the chart's title to Hotel C, where Hotel C is the name of your third hotel. Next, we need to make the title for the dashboard wider. Navigate to the Environmental Dashboard worksheet. Click in the title cell. Hold the Shift key and select the cells all the way across the top of the screen. On my screen, that is column W. Then, on the Home tab, click Merge and Center twice. The first time you click Merge and Center, the title will shift left and be unmerged. The second click will re-merge and re-center. Now we will create a heading for our charts. Navigate to the Environmental Dashboard worksheet. On the Insert tab, click Shapes. In the drop-down menu, click in the text box icon. Click and drag with your mouse to create a text box. Click in the text box and type percentage of withdrawn water that is consumed 2021 to 2023. Select the text, and on the Home tab, change the font to size 14. Then click the Center Align icons for both horizontal and vertical alignment. Resize your text box as needed by dragging the handles that surround it. The last thing we need to do with the heading for the charts is to change the fill color. Select the heading, and on the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow next to Fill Colors and select the darker gray from Theme Colors. Now we will move our charts to the dashboard. Navigate to the Data Template worksheet. Select the line charts by clicking on each of them while holding down the Control key. Then hit Control X or Command X for Mac to cut them from the worksheet. Navigate to the Environmental Dashboard worksheet and click anywhere. Then hit Control V or Command V for Mac to paste the charts. With the three charts still selected, on the Shape Format tab, change the size of your charts to a dimension that fits beneath the heading. For my screen, that is 1.5 inches by 4.5 inches. This may take some experimentation to get it just right. Drag the charts individually to align them under the chart heading. Now we will remove the outline from the charts. Click on the first chart. Then on the Format tab, click the drop-down arrow next to Shape Outline. In the drop-down menu, click No Outline. Select the second chart. Then on the Format tab, click the Shape Outline icon. The shape outline will still be set to no outline from the previous chart. Select the third chart and again click Shape Outline. We are now done with parts 1, 2, and 3 of the environmental dashboard. Be sure to save your file as you will be starting the next part of this tutorial series with your saved file. Okay, that's it. We're done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.